Inspired by the suicide death of Stanford women's soccer goalkeeper Katie Meyer in February 2022, a California measure has become state law. Assembly Bill 1575, which mandates that public colleges and universities let students have an advisor while facing disciplinary action, was signed into law by Governor Gavin Newsom on Saturday. 9 months after Katie's death, her family filed a wrongful death case against Stanford, claiming the institution failed to adequately assist her while she was facing a disciplinary issue at the time of her death. The measure originated from Katie's Save, a nonprofit founded by Steve and Gina Meyer, who toured the nation discussing their effort, which they hope will be enacted into law in all 50 states. Jackie Irwin, a state assembly member who approved the measure, said on X, previously known as Twitter, "The Myers family has turned the tragedy of their daughter's passing into a law that will provide protections for other college students." Katie Meyer, a senior in 2022, served as one of the team captains and helped Stanford win the 2019 national title. At the time of her death, which the Myers claim was related to the disciplinary matter, she was awaiting word from the university's law school. According to court documents, the issue arose when school administrators concluded Meyer could have acted in retribution after she spilled coffee on a Stanford football player in 2021. According to school documents submitted to the court, the unidentified football player kissed one of Meyer's teammates without permission a week before. The player later had burns on his back that needed medical care. Meyer got an email from Stanford on February 28, 2022, the evening before her corpse was discovered in her dorm room, warning her that she might be subject to disciplinary action because of the spilled coffee. A 5-page email correspondence explaining that her degree would be put on hold less than 4 months from graduation, and that the accusation would lead to her expulsion from the institution, was delivered to her, according to a court document. Meyer's parents filed the wrongful death claim on November 23, 2022. There is no definite date for the trial. Instead, the two parties have been engaged in a year-long discovery process.